Hello everyone, this is Alex from National Machinery. Behind me are our two sets of concrete mixer pumps. We just finished the production and will ship to our customers soon. This machine can both mix and pump the concrete. As you can see, there is a drum mixer to mix the concrete. Behind the drum type mixer is the hopper that will load the aggregate into the concrete mixers. And below the concrete mixer is the pumping system. Its function is like the trailer pump. And this type of machine is the diesel type, so it uses the diesel engine. We often use the Weichai brand diesel engine or the Cummins brand diesel engine. And this set is the Cummins brand diesel engine. And the red ones is the main oil pump. We use the Korean Kawasaki brand. It's also a famous brand and the main oil pump very rarely have problems. Those are three constant pressure gear pumps. Each of the three pumps is responsible for lifting, mixing, and cooling hydraulic oil. There is a gear pump specially responsible for cooling the hydraulic oil to make sure the oil temperature won't be too high to damage the hydraulic system. This is a hydraulic oil tank, and here there is an indicator of the hydraulic oil. And when using the machine, the level can be lower in the middle. And for this machine, we have a special button inside the control box. This is the emergency work button. And in here, there are two proximity switches. And there are another two in the water tank. And when the proximity switch is broken, the concrete mixer pump will stop work. The pumping system can work, and then you turn on this emergency work button. It can make the concrete mixer pump continue to work for about 10 minutes to clean the concrete in the concrete cylinder and wash the concrete pipe to avoid concrete solidifying in the machine. This is the swing cylinder. We installed a buffer system inside the swing cylinder to reduce the damage to the machine during working and reduce noise. Our concrete mixer pump have been sold to many countries and very popular with our customers. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.